4 on the Marshall's project, so hopefully today we can get the sleeper retaining wall in there, possibly come around there a little bit, get this all whackered, and then hopefully get some slabs down. Let's pray for the sun gods. Everyone, not a bad day. So it could have been a little bit better, but due to the rain again as always, it's been a little bit of more of a mission to say the least. And so we've got our first row of slabs which run all the way down there. The slabs are pretty cool, to be honest. I think once it's done it'll look quite nice. Got our second row in there as well, and we put our little pegs in just ready for tomorrow so we can tie straight in. We have managed to get the sleeper retaining wall along there. Still got to put a few posts in here and there, but to be honest it's not been a bad day considering the weather again. So thanks again all, and I'll see you tomorrow.